Hey, curious minds, ready to unbox your next big find? Every episode of Unbox Solutions with me dives deep into Amazon gems, smart hacks, and surprising solutions you might not know existed. From combat boots to kitchen gadgets, we unbox them all, up close, unfiltered, and just for you. Tag along as we refresh, relax, and renew your everyday routine, one product at a time. Catch new episodes every Tuesday on YouTube at My Coach Ministry. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and never miss a reveal.
All right, it's now time for, thank you so much for staying with me so far. You've been watching Refresh, Relax, Renew podcast with me, Coach Racquel, and now it's time for us to go to our unboxing. So, unbox solutions with me, and today, let me share. Yes, so for today in our unboxing solutions with me, we're unboxing a drill toolkit, exploring how little upgrades can refresh your space and mindset. So today, what we're, here we go. We're unboxing this right here. It's right here. We're unboxing this right here, which is it's a 1, 2, 3 piece pink household tool set with a 3.6V USB cordless electric drill, portable, lightweight, and stylish. Let's see if this pink set is more than just pretty packaging today. All right, so let's go. Okay. I forgot to get something to open the box. All right, so this works. All right. Right. Oh, sorry. Microphone. I like the sound of that. All right. All right. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here. Here. And hold on. Hang on. I'm doing it the wrong way. Hold on. Oh yeah, this way. Interesting smell. Okay, so there we are. There you have it. There you have it. The drill set. All right. Oh my goodness. Is it the same way? Yes. I like it. Where did this come from? Okay. All right. This is our drill. This is our drill. Can't wait to use it. That's our unboxing for today. Our unboxing tip for today. Okay, so function first, check, right? You know what? Well, one of the things I've learned about unboxing is it's easy to get caught up in the packaging. And for me, I love to hear the popping sound. Really and truly, I have an unboxing vlog because I love the ASMR of it. I love to open things, unveil, unbox, unwrap. I love doing that kind of thing. And I love the sounds that I get from it. But one of the things I've learned is more important than the sound of things and the niceties of it is making sure that the product you buy or the item you buy, that it's actually functional, right? That it's work. It's easy to get caught up in the hype of pretty packaging and shiny new toys. But here's the evidence-based truth. A 2023 Consumer Technology Association study found that about 34% of product returns happened because the item didn't actually meet people's needs, not because it was broken. See? So here's the tip. Always do a function first check. Before we hype it, we test it. Does the drill actually drill? Does the gadget really power on? Does the tool do what the box promises? Those things are very, very important. So remember, unboxing isn't just about pretty packaging. Test function first, and the beauty will follow. Before I bought this and anything, that's why I said that my podcast is called, this segment of the podcast is called Unboxing Solutions with Me. I am not just buying for the sake of buying. I'm not just buying just because I want to share stuff with you. I vlog because I buy. I don't buy to vlog. Do you understand? So if it's not something that's functional for me, if it's not something that I'm actually going to use, I ain't buying it. This is an investment. So I bought this drill because I really need it at home when I need to fix something. For example, I bought a bench the other day. I don't remember if I shared it on here, but it got broken, right? And I did not have the tools to put it together, back together myself. So that was one of the reasons I went and did. And before I bought this, I did my research. I checked to see which one I'm going to get. Then I checked the reviews to see what other person said about it and things like that. I went through the whole thing before I selected one. Now, I haven't tried this yet because as you saw me just now, I just opened it. I just unboxed it with you right here. So I haven't tested it yet. But from the reviews, it should be good. And if it's not good, I will not list it on my Amazon shop where I list all the things that I purchased, and it's in the description. So if you want to see, if you like this and like to get one of it, you can check there. If it doesn't work, I don't list it. I remove it from the list, right? So that's how you know what I have that actually worked. If you go to my Amazon link, and it's right there on the screen, that's amazon.com/shop/UME radio. When you go there, you see the things that I've listed there from the episodes of the show. And I will only list the things that actually work. The things that don't work, I do not list them. I'll still unbox them, but I will once I've used it and it doesn't work, I don't list it. All right. So I just want to say thank you so much for staying with me. I love to open new packages. There will be the latest information on the top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me and Coach Racquel, and it is this a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.
Welcome to mycoachministry.com. We're on a mission to empower 1 million purpose-driven entrepreneurs, turning calling into currency. Through strategic coaching, we guide visionary leaders, brand elevation, and creative empowerment, helping leaders break barriers and own their identity. Build impactful, wealth-generating brands that echo across generations.